Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use AI stickers on your Instagram story. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. From your gallery, choose a photo which you want to post with the sticker. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the new one, AI stickers. Tap on it. Here what you will type, AI will generate for you. Below you will see some of the examples which you can use. Now enter any text in the search bar. And then tap Generate. And your AI stickers will appear. Tap See More to generate more stickers. Tap any of these stickers to use it on your story. You can resize this sticker and place it anywhere in the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can use AI stickers on your Instagram story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.